This lecture we are going to learn how can we download Python from the internet and install it on our respective device. So the operating system which I have got on my computer is of 32-bit, and so that's the reason I'm going to download a 32-bit Python software on my device. This is the site python.org where you can find all the versions of Python. Let's check out what is the latest version available on the site. So the latest one is 3.9.0, and these are all the versions which were launched earlier. Let's go for this one, 3.8.2. Fine. And here in the bottom you will be able to find some hyperlinks. So for installing a 32-bit Python software, we need to download this Windows x86 executable installer on our device. Let's click on this hyperlink and check out what is going to happen. So you will get to see a file has started downloading on this device of mine. Right now it is getting downloaded, and yep. So let's run this setup file and see what's gonna happen. So this is the dialog box you're going to come across. Let's hit this run button for running the setup file. So here there are two options getting reflected on this window. One is install now and the second one is customize installation. So first of all, I would like to add Python 3.8 to this to the path. So for this we can check this checkbox over here, and then we can go for this option, customize installation. Okay, everything is good here. Let's hit this next button, and here we need to set the path where we would like to install the Python software. So for that, let's select the C drive. Okay, and let's create a folder over here with name Python, and inside this folder let's create another folder with name Python 3.8.2 is the version which I'm downloading. So I'm creating a folder with this name, Python 382. Let's now begin the installation part. Right now the initializing process is happening, and after that the file will get installed on my device. Once the software will get installed, when you'll click on the start button, automatically you will be able to see this Python 3.8 option over here. Okay, now let's check out what do we have inside this. So we have got 4 more options. Let's check out this idle platform first. This is how it looks like, and if you want to change the font size, what you guys can do, you guys can click on this options button, and then you can come on this configure idle option. Okay, here you're going to come across a screen like this, and you can select a font of your own choice, and after that you can set this font size also. Fine, so for now I'm setting it to 25, and for applying the changes you can hit this apply button and the changes will be applied. Okay, now let's click on this OK and come back on this platform. Now let's see whether it is working fine or not. So for that we can run a program on this. Print. Let's print something on this platform. Let's print hello world. Fine. So for that, what we can do, we can make use of this keyword print, and whatever we want to print, we need to enclose this that thing in between these double inverted commas. Fine. And when you'll hit this enter button, automatically you'll get to see the result like this. If you want to print something else, you can go ahead and pass write down something else here. Let's print grade computer is a good subject. Okay, let's press enter and see what's gonna happen. So we are going to see the output like this. Fine, so that's how you can check whether it is working fine or not. Let's close this window. How can we close it? So for doing that, if you want to save this program, you can just come on this file option, and you're going to come across a cascading menu like this. So here you'll get to see the save as option. Fine, and you can save it on your desktop with any unique name. Let's save it with first program. So this is the name which I'm giving to this program. Okay, and we're going to save it with this extension .py. Fine. Okay, now let's close this platform. We are done with verifying the functionality of this one. Now let's come on the second option, which is Python 3.8 32-bit. This is a command prompt kind of platform you're going to see. Fine. Now if you want to change the font size of this, if you want to modify the view of this, you can click on this icon over here, and you're going to see a cascading menu like this. Now here you can come on this properties part, and this is the window you're going to come across. Then let's change it to large. We can set the font size from here. Let's change it to 12:16. So window size, you can change it. Change the window size here, and let's change this to also. Okay, so this after modifying everything, this is the kind of view you are going to get of this platform. Let's now check out whether it is working fine or not. So for that, I'm going to use the same method which I used earlier for checking that idle Python platform. Working hello world. Let's try and check whether it will be able to give us the desired output or not. Yes, it is giving us the desired output. So this one is also working fine. So this is how you can you can download Python from internet and install it on your respective device, and also you can check whether it is working fine or not. Fine, so this is it for today's lecture. Thank you very much for attending this lecture, and God bless you all with a great future. Bye bye everyone.